react to some hate comments with my mom. The most common hate comment I get, no father detected.
Fatherless behavior.
Guys, guess how long my mom has been married to my dad?
Almost 31 years now. And we have 5 beautiful daughters. And we're proud of every single one of them.
The next comment is, that's not your mom, you hired her.
Why are we inviting OnlyFans models to speak at universities? We have reached the point, gentlemen, where we are allowing digital prostitution to educate our youth, yet real prostitution is illegal in this country of America, except for Las Vegas, right? But who really wants to go to Las Vegas right now? It's not really popping anymore. I want to know, man. I've already said this over and over again, that Instagram is officially, I don't even know if I can really say what I really think it is. I'll just say that it's a dating app at this point. Instagram is a dating app, and the only people who get reach and the only people who have millions of followers, for the most part, other than celebrities and athletes. Let's just talk about average people who get millions of followers because of how their body looks. It is mostly women who look like this. We can look at her Instagram account and we can see why she's famous. And I want to know, why are we allowing these women to come and speak to our youth? It's almost like Elon Musk and some others had said that, you think Peter Thiel and some others, that I don't even care if you go to college. You don't even have to go to college anymore. You're going to tell me when we look at these pictures that digital prostitution does not exist? Not going to lie though, her body is flawless. But still, men, we must stop the simping. I suggest that you do what I did. It really helps. Stop simping online. Delete all the women who post thirst traps off of your social media apps. Delete them all. Don't even look at it. And you know what's so interesting is that you can unfollow, not like, not click on any of these photos, and Instagram and TikTok and some others are still going to send it to you. I actually feel that Instagram is worse than TikTok because, trust me, I do not follow any of these women, but for some reason, I keep getting sent their photos or reels. And people are going to say, well, it's probably because you're liking the pictures. And no, man. I've done the test from burner accounts. I will tell you straight up that it is not true. So that's good that the first picture she posts that, okay, she has a boyfriend, thankfully. Well, she went on to speak at a University of Washington. And of course, a lot of us are outraged about this. What does it say right here? A video of OnlyFans creator Ari Kytsya, I'm not sure how to pronounce her last name, discussing her experiences went viral on X with false claims that she guest lectured in a University of Washington psychology class, but no university records confirm the event. The footage originates from personal content, not a University of Washington setting. Okay, let's fact check this real quick. Yes, okay. Well, according to Google, it looks like it did happen. She gave a lecture at the University of Washington as a guest speaker for a psych class. She spoke about human sexuality to a class of over 1,000 students. Can you believe that?
Okay, guys, what the fuck?
I always get what I want. I literally always get what I want. Everything always works out in my favor because I always get what I want. I always get what I want. I literally always get what I want. Everything always works out in my favor because I always get what I want.
Go, Kylie, go.
Looks pretty
Good
real
job,
to me.
Kylie, you're doing amazing, sweetie. Wow, look at her go.
Actually, one of the very first times that I started, I didn't do it. It's not allowed on OnlyFans. There's a lot of things that aren't allowed.
Somebody asked me to shit in a box and send it to an email for $10,000 so they could eat it, and I did not do it.
Back up.
I just wanted to go.
They asked you to shit? What, is that what you said?
Yes, like go
In a bag?
in a box.
And then send it to them and they would eat it?
Yeah.
Wow.
I didn't do that, guys.
Oh, she didn't do that. She didn't shit in the box.
$10,000.
Oh my god. I have the wrong understanding.
So she was asked to shit in a box for $10,000, but she didn't do it. Wow, that was like one of the main things that she said she couldn't do. Yeah, right. So some weirdo, which I'm sure there's a lot of them out there, asked her to shit in a box so he could eat it. I thought he wanted her to eat it, but he wanted to eat it. Wow. What's up with some of these people out here, man? And how does somebody have $10,000 to do something crazy like that? You know what's really interesting is that what if that person was like a prestigious person in society and they just have $10,000 to blow on some young hot chick shitting in a box so he could eat it? And this is like a guy who's like probably, you know, someone who, I don't even want to think about it, but you know what I'm saying? Like what kind of random person has $10,000 to do some crazy shit like that? You know what I mean? Literally. Folks, we have entered, I believe, not only the simp generation as we were speaking about with Akash, Gucci Man, and all these other simps, but we've now reached the level of Dumb and Dumber. I must say, it's getting to the point to where it's just out of control. Like what this person had to say right here. They said, we see that the whore is giving lectures at the university. Social media and the freedom nonsense continue to destroy all societies. States should take measures against this. Yes, a woman using OnlyFans is a whore. There's no point of twisting this. Yeah, pretty much, man. I mean, it's digital prostitution. They're going to pay you to do this online. Didn't some comedian, I forgot his name, but he made a great sketch about this where he said, if you pay for sex, it's considered illegal. But if you get a camera and you film it and then you pay for sex, then it's considered legal. OnlyFans model. But you know, when I go on Instagram, I see a lot of this, man. It looks like a lot of this is going on. She got a banging body, but her face. Guys, we need to stop following and simping over women like this. Please, I'm asking you. I know that some of you won't, especially that one freak who wants her to shit in the box. But I'm asking, we need to, as a culture, stop simping on these women. I highly suggest that you unfollow all of these digital prostitutes. It's really clouding the mind. We need to stop jerking off. That'll be a whole nother video, a whole nother discussion. But let me tell you this, man. Just stop it, man. Just stop it. This is getting out of control here. The whole OnlyFans movement is getting out of control. I understand these women that are young, that are hot, that are in their prime, they're quitting their jobs. Why not? They're making what, 17, 20 bucks an hour, maybe if that, maybe more, a little more or less. And then they can go do OnlyFans where all they got to do is walk around in their panties or dirty underwear for a week and then send it to some pervert for $10,000 or $20,000. I get it. But as a society, you know, I would love to know, like, where is this girl's parents at? I'm sure her mother probably approves. You know, it just, when I see things like this, it makes me wonder, like, how can a father approve of this? Like, you know what I'm saying? You have these types of perverts asking your daughter to perform these types of acts. Now, if she's like a model on the cover of Vogue magazine or whatever, you know what I'm saying? I get that. Like, okay, yo, that's pretty prestigious. But OnlyFans and getting asked to shit in a box? Okay, so it looks like she posted something on TikTok, or somebody posted something on TikTok. Let's see here. So she's already responding to the haters. You must be her dad. Who knows? But this is the question right here. Who runs the household? That's the question. Who runs the household? Is it him or is it the mother? Because if the mother runs the household, then that makes a whole bunch of sense of what's going on here. She's smart to keep them out of the public, except for that video right there.
Let's react to some hate comments with my mom. The most common hate comment I get, no father detected.
Fatherless behavior.
Guys, guess how long my mom has been married to my dad?
Almost 31 years now. And we have 5 beautiful daughters. And we're proud of every single one of them.
The next comment is, that's not your mom, you hired her.
No, and I'm not her older sister. I'm her mom.
She's very much
Clearly.
my real mom. Do we look like? I look like my dad the most.
Yeah, you do look like Dad.
I get this one a lot. And it's just, wait till your looks fade. I'm not gonna make any money when I'm older. Guys, she's a prime example that my looks aren't gonna fade.
Is that how they do it?
Oh, we love supportive parents. Because your mother allows you to be a whore, that means she's supportive of you. Man, people are so dumb. People are just so dumb. Just because your parents are around doesn't mean that they were great to you or showed you what was up. Hey, I ain't mad. Get your money. Do what you got to do. Would any of us strong alpha males want our daughters to be doing that? No. And I have a feeling by watching that video that the mother is the one that wears the pants in the house. Because we haven't seen the dad on camera yet other than doing some stupid TikTok dances. And we all know that no father wants to do a TikTok dance unless his daughter is making him do it. So therefore, and possibly the mother as well. So therefore, I'm willing to bet that the mother is the one that wears the pants in the house and allows this nonsense to happen. Clearly, a lot of people are upset with her speaking at a university, so we can't be that far off on this topic.